Assalamu alaikum. Our today topic is violence at work. Violence at work is an incident at the workplaces in which a person is abused, threatened, or assaulted in circumstances relating to the work. No risk factors for violence are usually committed at the workplaces, and there are some reasons behind it. Certain occupations and types of work are associated with the increased risk of violence. In some cases, may also be the risk of violence between employees at the workplaces. Now we see what are the factors to those occupations and situations that are involved in the violence of work at the workplaces. What are those occupations? Are hospitals, accident and emergency staff, police, social workers, bus and taxi drivers, firefighters and paramedics, traffic wardens, railway staff, state agents, and many more you can consult to your syllabus. Know what are the situations in which safety related violence is flourished at the workplaces. This first situation is cash handling, loan working, representing authority, wearing uniform, dealing with people under stress, dealing with people under the influence, and censoring or saying no. In the cash handling, in first situation, any work that involve the handling of cash or values puts worker at a risk of violence greatly. The reason is that there are a lot of robbery chances during handling the cash. The second is loan working. Any loan working that the worker in urban areas or put them in contact with public directly at remote or private locations, because during loan working the usually worker is in stress and there is a lot of chance to violence. The third is representing authority. Any work where the worker represent authority such as police, staff and warden. The fourth situation is wearing a uniform. Uniform are often seen as a symbol of dignity or authority, but even where there are not, workers may still be signaled out of abuse. The other is dealing with people under stress. When people are under stress, they are less capable of handling their emotions and can lose control. The other is dealing with people under the influence. Dealing with people under the influence of drugs and alcohol or with other mental health issues when normal inhibition on behavior have been affected. The last is censoring or saying no. Workers who have to give warnings, penalties, or who have to refuse a service or say no. For example, bar staff. These are the all situations in which the violence is at great chance to the workers. Now, let's quickly review the occupations that have great chance of risk of violence at the workplaces. The examples are firefighters and paramedics, social workers, bus and taxi drivers, hospital accident and emergency staff, railway staff, and state agents. The people who are new on my channel are requested to subscribe my channel and give your valuable comments please, so that I may evaluate what are the minimum and maximum requirements to fulfill your knowledge. Thank you so much.